Welcome. To celebrate World Book Day and to commemorate the birth anniversary of the world famous writer and dramatist William Shakespeare, commonly known as Bard of Avon and England's national poet, let's go through some inspiring and soul stirring quotes of William Shakespeare. Men of few words are the best men. Let life be short, else shame will be too long. From the famous play Henry V. To be or not to be, that is the question. Words without thoughts never to heaven go. We know what we are, but know not what we may be. Listen to many, speak to a few. From the famous play Hamlet. Our bodies are our gardens, to which our wills are gardeners. Repetition is an idle and most false imposition, often got without merit and lost without deserving. From the famous play Othello. Fair is foul and foul is fair. It's conspiracy after all. Present fears are less than horrible imaginings. Come what come may, time and the hour runs through the roughest day. From the play Macbeth. There's no art to find the mind's construction in the face. All the perfumes of Arabia will not sweeten this hand. What's done cannot be undone. From the play Macbeth. Hell is empty and all the devils are here. Misery acquaints a man with strange bedfellows. Thought is free. From the famous play The Tempest. All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely plays. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts. His acts being seven ages. From the play As You Like It. When we are born, we cry that we have come to this stage of fools. From King Lear. Cowards die many times before their deaths. The villain never tastes of death but once. From the play Julius Caesar. Life is a shuttle. The Merry Wives of Windsor. The web of our life is of a mingled yarn, good and ill together. From the famous play All's Well That Ends Well. And yes, what's it a name? That which we call a rose by any other name? From the play Romeo and Juliet. Thank you.